Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how England people speak. We'll explore the fascinating diversity of accents found across the country. You'll learn about the subtle differences in vowel sounds and consonant articulation that distinguish one region from another. Understanding these variations will help you better comprehend and even mimic different English speaking styles. It's a journey into the rich tapestry of spoken English. Let's dive into some common features you'll encounter. Received pronunciation, or RP, is a well-known accent, often associated with formal speech. A notable characteristic is the non-rhotic R, meaning the R sound isn't pronounced at the end of words or before consonants. Also, listen for variations in vowel lengths, such as the A in bath, which can be a long ah sound or a short A depending on the region. England's regions each boast unique vocal characteristics. In the north, you might notice shorter, more direct vowel sounds, giving speech a distinct briskness. Conversely, southern accents often feature more elongated vowel pronunciations, creating a softer flow. Estuary English, a blend of received pronunciation and Cockney, is prevalent around London and the southeast, showcasing a fascinating linguistic evolution. To truly grasp the nuances, immerse yourself in listening to native speakers from diverse regions. Pay close attention to their intonation and rhythm, then try to mimic these patterns yourself. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sounds. Practice is key to improvement. Remember, the goal isn't necessarily to sound exactly like a native, but to understand and be understood. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.